Imagine creating a beautiful garden using what you already have. Simple containers, reused materials, and thoughtful choices that bring nature closer while reducing waste. In 2025, recycled container gardening is more than a trend. It's a calming, eco-friendly way to design small spaces with purpose. Hello friends, welcome to Garden Glow, your space for mindful and inspiring garden ideas. Today we're exploring recycled container small garden design ideas 2025. Eco-friendly trends. Start with containers that tell a story. Old wooden crates, metal buckets, glass jars, or clay pots that have aged over time. Each piece adds character without costing anything. Give them a gentle clean, add soft earth, and let them become the foundation of your garden. Choose plants that thrive in containers: herbs, succulents, ferns, or trailing vines. A mix of heights creates calm visual layers while keeping the space light and breathable. Pair one tall plant with smaller ones around it to create a balanced, minimalist look. For design, think natural and simple. Group containers together in soft clusters instead of spreading them out. This reduces clutter and creates harmony. Neutral colors, browns, greens, whites, and grays. Keep everything calm and easy on the eyes. You can also repurpose everyday items. A teapot as a planter, an old drawer for herbs, or glass bottles for tiny succulents. These small touches add charm while staying eco-friendly. Add texture through gravel, small stones, or a wooden board to place your containers on. Even in a tiny balcony, a simple wooden pallet can be transformed into a calming vertical garden. And don't forget lighting. A recycled glass jar with a small solar light adds a warm, gentle glow in the evening, perfect for peaceful moments after a long day. With creativity and intention, recycled container gardening turns small spaces into meaningful, eco-friendly retreats. Every reused item becomes a reminder of simplicity, care, and connection to nature. Like, share, and subscribe to Garden Glow for more calm, creative, and sustainable garden design ideas.